Cell 3, the variants. Okay, now we've shown you the basic 10 movements of the push-up series. Remember that these basic 10 can be broken up into dozens more exercises by using very slight technical variations, changes in hand position, elbow angle, and so on. We discuss these changes in the hidden step sections following each exercise. But as well as these basic 10, there are other types of technique, push-up movements, or exercises which work similar muscle groups, which it's helpful to have inside your training toolkit. For example, most of the convict conditioning exercises are performed with a slower, smoother cadence, because this builds superior strength and muscle, and also protects the joints and soft tissues over the long term. But in reality, we don't always move in a very regulated, smooth way. We might have to accelerate quickly for sport or in combat, or at the opposite end of the spectrum, we might have to hold a position statically under tension for a time. For this reason, we've included at least one explosive variant and one isometric hold variation for every movement type in these DVDs. This is true for push-ups, squats, and all the other movements. You don't necessarily have to perform any of these variant exercises, but you might want to add one to your routine for variety, or to help you with your sport or fighting art, or just to explore for fun when you get burnt out on a particular movement. The human body is a hugely complex machine, and there are lots of excellent or useful variant exercises in calisthenics. Some of those included here are discussed in the Convict Conditioning Manual, some will be new. Let's take a look at some of the push-up variants.